Hi dear friends, welcome back to our channel Vinay Kumar Basics of Physics. This is the right place to learn. Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the derivation of third equation of motion v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So let's go for that. Children, there is one car is there that is initially having some velocity u meter per second. After t seconds of its journey, its velocity becomes as v meter per second. Initially, a car is moving with speed of u meter per second. After time t, its velocity becomes v meter per second. So, in that time, that should be covered a displacement of s. Clear? So, that's why what I have to say. In this case, we will write s is what? Total displacement covered. And what is t, children? Total time taken. So time taken. So what we write, children? We know that average velocity is equals to what we write? Yes, that only, total displacement by time taken. So this is the formula for average velocity. So again we are going to use that formula, children. Average velocity is equals to what? Total displacement by time taken. So here we are representing V average velocity is nothing but V average velocity is equals to, is what we write? Total displacement by time taken. So children, from that what you have to write? We have to write s is equals to v average into time. S is equals to v average into time. So children, already I explained in previous videos, if x is one number and y is the another number, how we can write the average? X plus y by 2. In the same manner, we will write v average is equals to what is initial velocity u and what is final velocity v. So therefore, what we write? V plus u by 2. So clear? V average is what? V plus u by 2. So according to this one, clear? Let u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity, and their average is what? V plus u by 2. So children, we know that. Equation for final velocity. What is it, children? V is equals to u plus at. What is that? V is equals to u plus at. From that we have to write the expression for t. How we can write? Simply here, look here. V is equals to u plus at. From that what write? V minus u is equals to at, and t is equals to what write? V minus u by a. Clear what it is? T is equals to v minus u by a. So now we can take, this is the equation number 1 and it is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. Now substitute equation number 2 and 3 in one. Equation number 2 and equation number 3 in equation number 1. What is it, children? S is equals to, V R is what is? V plus u by 2 into, it is what? V minus u by a. Clear? So what is it, children? S is equals to v plus u into v minus u by 2a. Clear? So obviously what we get? We have to bring this side. Then what we get? Here denominator just multiplication 2a into s is equals to v plus u into v minus u. So children, already we know that. What we know? We have one formula is there. What it is? A plus b into a minus b is equals to what, right? A square minus b square. So we have one formula is there, a plus b into a minus b, what children? A square minus b square. So we have to observe like the same, they are like the same, a plus b into a minus b. Then what to write children? So simply what you have to write? So what it is? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So a plus l undi, v undi, b plus l undi, u undi. So kabatti what write? 2as is equals to v square minus u square. So children, this is the equation what we require. V square minus u square is equals to 2as. Okay children, in this way we can prove that v square minus u square is equals to 2as children. So while we are watching this one, you have to prepare the note children, then you can easily understand the concept what you listen here. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Bye, take care.